The CH-53K Stallion is the most famous helicopter in the Sikorsky S-65 family of heavy transport helicopters. Originally developed and used by the United States Marine Corps, these helicopters are also used in Germany, Iran, Israel, and Mexico. The CH-53K will be deployed from the carrier USMC to support distribution operations deep inland from a sea-based operations center. Heli became a heavy freight forwarder for armored vehicles, equipment, and personnel. The role of combat SAR, CSAR, can also be played by the CH-53K, including carrying out humanitarian missions for victims of war or natural disasters. Although the figure looks similar to the CH-53E, but in fact the CH-53K is a new helicopter. This helicopter has dimensions of 30.2 meters long, 8.46 meters high, and a main rotor diameter of 24 meters. 5 personnel are required to man the CH-53K. Consists of the pilot, co-pilot, and 3 cabin crew for assistance. The helicopter can accommodate 37 armed forces personnel or 55 passengers with additional seats in the middle of the cabin aisle. This 38.4-ton MTOW helicopter is driven by 3 General Electric GE38-1B turboshaft engines with a total power of 7,500 shp. The maximum cruising flight speed of the CH-53K reaches 315 km per hour or 37 km per hour faster than the CH-53E. Its flying altitude is up to 4,380 meters with a combat radius of 214 kilometers or a cruising flight of 852 kilometers. Sikorsky itself will only ship orders for a dozen CH-53 kiloseconds for USMC starting in 2022 and complete by the end of 2023. USMC plans to have 8 CH-53K active squadrons, 1 training squadron, and 1 reserve squadron. In the USMC environment, the CH-53K will serve as a heavy transport helicopter. Meanwhile, the MV-22 hybrid helicopter is used as a medium transport vehicle and the UH-1Y helicopter is used for